Hi everyone, I'm Topi Rani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I hope you all are doing well and I'm doing well too. Guys, today is day 36 of my English speaking practice and today I'm making this video in the afternoon because in the morning I was busy, so I couldn't make videos in the morning. I was busy with some my works. So now it is afternoon time and I thought that I should make videos in this time. And do you know guys, in the morning it was raining also. It was not heavy rain, but it was like drizzling. Okay, so now I am free and I thought that in this time I should record my videos because when I practice, when I make videos, then I'm not just making videos, I am practicing my English also. So there is a benefits of making videos. Okay, there are so many benefits making videos. I make videos for my English speaking practice, so now I am improving my English speaking as well as my communication skills. Because first time if you talk in front of camera, then you can't do it properly, but when you will do it again and again, then you will be confident and your communication skills will be improved. And my confidence, if I speak every day, then my confidence will be improved. My confidence to talk in front of camera will be improved. That's why I chosen this path. Okay, and now I am walking on a narrow path. Maybe this side is not good, this side is good because it is afternoon time and the sun in this side, so that's why it's clear in this side. Okay, and behind me there is a hibiscus tree. I show you before in my previous video, and there are some flower in this tree. And do you know guys, now I am doing nothing without making videos, and I am walking. I walk in the morning for my health, for being good health, and now I'm also walking for making videos actually. And do you know guys, in the afternoon in my village there are so many mosquito and they are biting me, so I can't make this video properly. I can't hold my phone because of them. Okay, okay, so what I should do, what I should speak right now? Whenever I thought that I should make videos and I should speak from my uh, inner or from my heart, I can't speak properly. But when I make video at randomly, when I don't have any intention for making videos for my YouTube channel, then I can speak. But when I thought that I should make videos for my YouTube channel, or I should record this and upload my YouTube channel, then I can't speak properly. This is my biggest problem. But now gradually I'll be improve my uh, this skill. I should speak in front of camera properly, so I should speak without any script, without any thinking. Do you know guys, one thing, nowadays I don't think before speak. Okay, I can speak randomly, but before I was thinking that I was translating, okay, from my native language to English. But now uh, I don't translate my native language to English. Now I am speaking direct in English. So this is my improvement. If I make mistake, this is not big deal, but I can speak without thinking, without translating. This is my big achievement that I am thinking right now. Okay, so guys, I should speak English without thinking and without translating. But how you can and how I can do this? Nothing. You have to practice English. First time you have to translate, but second time, third time, fourth time, when you practice more and more, then your English will be improved so fast. Okay, but you have to be regular. You have to be regular and you have to practice regular. Okay, so guys, that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.